last 2 months, except the first timers who are writing the prelims for the first time. The senior players should focus on revision, except for current affairs, for which you might have made notes all the year round, like I did. So I would emphasize that in the first attempt, you might not have made short notes already consisting of the factoids, like I mentioned earlier. If you don't have those notes made already, you will face some problems in covering vast volume of material in a short amount of time, because prelims is a game of short-term memory. So you have to recall and remember and read a lot of factoids in a short period of time, and exclusively made notes for prelims composed of those factoids help you a lot, right? So in the last 1 to 2 months, you have to have made those notes in the previous attempts or in your first attempt and revise those notes rather than relying on new material, except for current affairs. But like I mentioned, for current affairs, I made my own notes throughout the year. I revised those notes during the weekend, and this helped me internalize those notes, and at that point of the exam, finish the material quite faster. Then do not go for new content in the last month. I've already emphasized. Customize this strategy based on your own knowledge base, based on your retention power, based on your own reading speed. And I would emphasize that even though if you have reviewed previous year question papers, kindly solve the previous year's question papers before the exam. At least 1 month before the exam, you should solve 5 to 6 years previous year question papers and read the solutions as well. I've already mentioned that you have to rely on short-term memory, but you cannot overburden your memory with factoids. So the way I did that was, you have to learn a lot of factoids, but you cannot learn a bunch of factoids regarding one topic in one go. So you learn small volume of factoids from each topic every day. Thereby cumulatively it becomes a large volume without burdening your brain. Example, you can learn 5 pages of cultures notes, handwritten notes by Mr. Nitin Singhania sir. That is how I did it. Learn 5 pages of notes today. Tomorrow you revise those yesterday's 5 pages notes and learn 5 more pages. So you don't overburden your brain. If you try to learn 60 pages in a day, you will make a mess of things in your brain, and chances are that you will mark the wrong answer based on vague recollection of things during the exam. Then this is just an example, but that is how I did things. 10 reports a day, 10 themes a day, 5 pages of art and cultures a day, 60 to 100 MCQ notes, the one-liner notes that I just mentioned, 60 to 100 points during the day, as well as 1.5 hours of Atlas before the prelims every night before going to bed. If you do 10 hours of Atlas in a day, you will make a mess of things, you will not be able to recall. But if you do 65 to 100 MCQ questions and divide these things into small bursts during the day, like 10 MCQ questions, 10 MCQ one-liners after your meal, 5 to 10 after you go to the washroom, after every visit to the washroom, this will not overburden your brain. Still, at the end of the day, you will have covered a lot of factual information from various topics without overburdening your brain.